an ITC system loves to be clean. So our task as user is to take care of our ITC system and clean both the cell and the syringe regularly and thoroughly. Meaning, if you have performed a real experiment with some sticky protein, for example, it is very clever to use the wash cleaning method, meaning that the detergent decon as a 10 to 14% dilution goes through both the sample cell and the syringe, and then it is cleaned with water, and in terms of the syringe with methanol, and then get dried. And this is a thing you have to do, I would say, daily after your real ITC experiment. What comes next in your maintenance calendar is weekly. Please perform the soak, which you can also find in the software. So it means the detergent goes in, stays there for 30 minutes, it's 60 degrees, and then gets washed with water, and then it should be clean. Also weekly, please refill the reference cell, mostly with water. On your maintenance calendar, as a monthly reminder, it would be also clever to check if the syringe is bent. And maybe if you have worked a lot at the ITC, more than 300 experiments, also exchange the plunger tip.